Hey guys, so we're here at Bend the Bao, the new restaurant here at Universal Orlando CityWalk. We've ordered 4 different baos and we're gonna try them just for you guys. So let's dig in. So we have 4 different baos here. We have a pork belly, we have a beef brisket, we have a kimchi fried chicken, and we have a crab cake. Kimchi fried chicken is kimchi fried chicken, kimchi butter, gochujang, I don't know what that is, cucumber, and scallion sriracha. The crab cake is a Maryland style crab cake with shredded lettuce, diced tomato, and mustard aioli. The beef brisket, which is this back one here, this is beef brisket, fried jalapenos, it's beef brisket, fried jalapenos, pickled red onion, cilantro, and avocado lime crema. And then the pork belly up here is pork belly, scallions, cucumber, honey roasted peanuts, and cilantro. And honestly, they all look really good. So we're gonna dig in and try a bite. So if you're not familiar with bao, it's a Asian style dish. I keep calling them fluffy tacos because I don't know what else to call them, but they're like a soft roll. But we're gonna try it. See, as you can see, it's like kind of like fluffy. I'm nervous about this because I think this one's gonna be spicy, but that's nice. There is a bit of a kick to it, but it's not just a hot kick, it's like a flavorful kick. If I'm being honest, I have no idea what kimchi is, but there is a flavor I'm not familiar with in this, so that may be the kimchi. And I will be honest, this is pretty spicy, but like I said, it is a flavorful spice, so pretty good. Next, we're gonna do the Maryland crab cake. Ooh, this thing is busting out. Actually, I think we can go over here. Nice and refreshing. I was afraid because I normally don't like mustard, but the mustard aioli isn't too bad. I actually really like it paired with the crab cake and the bun. Next, we're gonna try the beef brisket, which looks really good. I'm kind of nervous about the fried jalapenos. I like that a lot. I don't think I got any of the fried jalapenos, so I am gonna try one. Fried jalapeno is actually pretty nice. It has almost a sweet taste to it. There's the kick. There's a little bit of kick to it, but it's not like, you know, super hot. So far, I think either that one or the Maryland are my favorite. Or the crab cake are my favorite. And last but not least, pork belly. That's really nice. That's also really nice. Honestly, I would get all 4 of these again. They have different, they each have a little bit of a different flavor, and none of these, I was afraid like the pork belly and the beef brisket might be kind of similar. They're not. They're very different. I almost get like this is weird, but I almost get like a Mexican flavor from the beef brisket one, whereas the Maryland one, I get more of like a shrimp taco or a Maryland, or like a crab taco, something like that. And the kimchi one is just very unique. I've never had anything that flavor before, so it's kind of hard for me to describe, but it definitely has sort of an Asian cuisine type of flavor. Now, a couple things to remember that you can, so here at Bend the Bao, there are 2 baos for $11.99, and you can add a bao for $4.49. Now, if 2 people are eating here, you would think, oh, we'll each get one of the combos. But that's not actually the better deal. The better deal is to order 1 combo and then order 2 additional baos. You're saving about $3 that way, at least. The additional baos are $4.49, and they don't have any fountain drinks. They only have bottled drinks. They have Coke, Coke Zero, Diet Coke, Fanta, Sprite, and then they have a couple different teas as well as bottled water. But if you want a fountain drink, Moe's, Panda Express, and the Whopper Bar are right across the way, so you can always get one from there and bring it over here. And there's no indoor seating here, so be prepared to sit outside. It's kind of hot today. Thankfully, it's not super sunny out, so we're not in direct sunlight right now, but it's definitely warm. This place is open from 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. in CityWalk, and I highly recommend checking it out. So I think my favorite of the 4 was definitely the pork belly. The flavor was really my style, but I don't know if I can recommend this for like a super filling lunch. Yes, the food was excellent. However, I can see the line getting really long here. I think you could get more for your money elsewhere, whether it be a bread box or Red Oven Pizza Kitchen downstairs. But yeah, leave any questions or comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow along with me on my social media. And I'll see you guys next time. And this is Bridget's Buzz.